Okay, well, something with high hopes comes from Susan Wenograd over on Search Engine Journal, and Google Analytics has announced a new feature, Predictive Audiences and Predictive Metrics. This is only available in the app plus web beta product offering, but it's going to be located within Audience Builder. And so if you are in analytics and you have this ability, you're going to be able to see new audience based off of two audience types, likely buyers and likely churning purchasers. So this is going to give you the ability to make different audiences, like these are a likely first-time 7-day purchaser, likely 7-day churning purchaser, but they're trying to use previous data to turn them into a prediction, basically, right? One of the things that Susan said in the article was that this new audience feels a lot like Facebook's conversion goal, which similarly targets users' likely behavior. There are a lot of really cool images of this, suggesting who you might want to use, who you might want to create and turn into a custom audience. I also have predictive metrics, and I predict that you two didn't actually look at the GIF in the article. Am I right?
Correct.
Yeah.
Correct. Right. See, I'm perfect. Google, hire me, and I'll go through and let everybody know what's happening. But the GIF shows you that you can put data in, and you'll see based on this cool color-coded blue. It's kind of like a chart of what the different audiences, what the likelihood is that they'll convert, and how you can get even more granular. Definitely check it out. Head on over to marketingclock.com. We have a link to Susan's article, and you can see it in action in this GIF. A few more things, some requirements. If you want predictive metrics, and this is funny, and at least to me, you need to have equal populations for users who bought and users who did not. The minimum size is 1,000 users in each bucket. I'm like, yo, for real though? You got to find a site with like a 50% conversion rate for e-commerce? Like, that's crazy, but you need to have a big data size, a data sample for this. Also, you need to have a sustained audience quality over a period of time instead of something that's fluctuating wildly. So if you've got tons of spikes, not going to help, not going to work. And the metrics for each model will be generated by user one time per day. If you don't meet the criteria that are outlined above, you will not have the predictions. And I guess you just got to wait till the next day. So this gave me like $1 million idea. My brain has been on fire, but I got $1 million idea. Somebody needs to hack in. We got to get those people that got Twitter, hack into the predictive data. And it's a shopping cart add-on. And it tells you when you're about to go purchase or when you're looking at an item and say, Google predicts you won't buy this item. And then you're like, oh yeah, watch me. Right? That's a good idea.
That would not work on me.
Yeah. Some people it might. People
If you
are like,
Jess, if you
I'll
went
show
there
you.
and you put a skull hoodie or sweater or scarf or whatever, and you put it in your cart and Google's like, oh, just so you know, you're probably not going to buy this. You're going to be like, oh yeah, watch. Boom.
Google would never say that about me because I would 100% have already bought it by the time it stopped thinking.
Fair enough. And if you want to try to get into the program, Susan's got some data as to what to do, some of the predictive metrics, and how you can sign up for the App Plus Web Property Beta. Thank you, Susan.